In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop crowdfunding and donation platform. The example of this kind of script is Fundorex. Now let's look at how it's going to look like after developing it. As the name implies, this script is used for funding, get donations, and so on. Now this is how it's going to look like after we finish developing it. So kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. Now after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel to my file manager. For my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for these testing purposes. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So next, I'm going to close this. Here is the extracted file. Let me open it. I'm going to select all the contents in it. Select all. I'm moving them to the root folder. Move. Move files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then as I click on back, yes, let me copy my subdomain name and open a new tab. Paste it there. Then I click on enter. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So next I click on go to install wizard. Now let me scroll down. I agree. Next step. So now let me scroll down. I click on next. Core permission 775. So I will go to core bootstrap cache, core storage. Okay, let me start from core bootstrap cache. I'm going back to my file manager. Here's it at core. I open it. Now bootstrap, then cake. Here I give you permission of 775. Save. Now let me go back to my site. Next, core storage 775, core storage app framework and logs. Okay, go back to my file manager. I click on back. Now storage, I give it 775. Save. Now let me open the storage. We are going to find our folders in it that we are going to change. Okay, app, save, framework, save, logs, save. Now let me go back to my site. Framework, logs. Now let me refresh here. So now I click on next again. This time around, okay, I will now go back to my cPanel, then to my database to create my database, so I'll be able to fill this part. I'm going back to my cPanel. Go down to databases, manage my databases. So now let me name my database as Fundorex DB, like this. Then I click on create database. Database created successfully. I click on go back. Yes, I'm going to create my user. Let me slow down to create my user. Now, user. Okay. Next, I click on create user. Now I click on go back after creating my database and user successfully. Now let me scroll down. Now we will add my user to my database. The one I just created is Fundorex DB user. Fundorex DB add. Now I give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. So success, privilege given successfully. Now I'm copying my username back to my site. Okay, username, database username, database name. That's my database name. So admin login information. Let me say name is admin. Okay. Admin email. Let me say admin@example.com. Now all is set. I click on check database connection. Now database imported successfully, system information updated successfully, admin credentials updated successfully. So now let me click on visit site. I have successfully installed my script. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, kindly use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.